It's stuck in your head again? What up on your mind? Why? You still a pre-Shauna thing? So badly you want to talk to her? Is she that important to you?
You want me to go to the girl and tell her that I don't want to be her friend anymore, and I'm not going to speak to her anymore. Don't you think that's a bit harsh, Susie? I mean, she's still a human being. Doesn't matter how much you hate her. I promise I wouldn't mess around with her anymore. But to completely cut her off, that's a bit harsh. I mean, that's kind of messed up. And she's been here for me since I came to Jamaica. So you're just gonna go over there and ignore me?
You're a premier or something. Like, you see me standing here and not even saying anything to me.
I'm not a pre, I'm not her deep. I just there. So what's going on? Sorry, I haven't been answering your text. I've been busy. So what's happening? Come on, don't give me that face there.
Me have a surprise for you. My mother wife if we come over. Family dinner. And she want to take you out. Fill up on some of the wedding dresses. She was asking me if you wouldn't mind if you wear the traditional Indian dress. It's really pretty, you know.
Sure, no problem. As long as it's red or gold. Tell her say I'll be coming.
Alright, me come for you this weekend. Come pick you up. And we'll take you out, alright? I'll make sure you're not eating Nina because she want to bring out this Indian restaurant down in Kingston. Here, so just make sure you're ready and cancel any plans we have. Alright?
Yeah, okay. I'll clear my schedule. I have some stuff I need to deal with, alright? I promise I'll text you later, okay? I'm going on the road.
You just need a surprise. What may I feel? You like it?
Yeah, thanks. It's really nice, Ardeep. I love you.
Alright, me love her to baby. Don't forget this weekend, you know. Mother look forward to seeing you again.
Yeah, trust me, I won't forget. Not a problem.
So what was so important that you called me out here, Oliver? I mean, you've been ghosting me for a couple of days now.
I just wanted to talk to you about something.
So spit it out now? What is it? Something to do with my cousin again?
We can't hang out anymore, alright? Me and Susie are official. And me and you were just... I don't want anything to be complicated. I'm sorry.
Shen.
Oh, yeah, there one. I was just about to leave because nobody with that answer.
Sorry, I was in my room. It's kind of hard for you to hear from room out of the box still. So what's going on? Why are you there? You alright? Is everything okay? I heard that your mother came back.
I want to ask you for a favor.
Sorry about the room. I know it's kind of childish. My mother won't let me redecorate. So what favor do you want to ask me?
Oh, I'm going to take that picture, yeah?
Oh yeah. I like to frame my pictures, you know, so, you know, it lasts longer in case something happens.
To your phone, right? I'm like frame pictures too. Hey, you can print me out one of them here?
Actually, I have 2 copies, if you want the other one.
Yeah, man. That would be cool still. So which way your parents them day?
My father, they at work.
So it's just me and you in here? Your mother seems so strict. You sure me I love to be in here? I don't want to get you in trouble or anything. You want me to leave? You can come back in the morning. I'll ask you what I'm going to ask you. Or you can do something for me right now.
Really, right now? So it's so sudden? Sure.
Wait, you sure you can do it? You sure you have all the right tools and everything? I mean, I need it done. I need it done tonight. It has to be really good.
I mean, I've never do it before, but I can try to do it good as possible. As much as you would like it, I guess.
Marsha, who is this boy? Why is he in your room? God, I never had this talk with you, but are the two sexually active?
What? No, mommy. I never do anything like that before. I promise you. You know, Mr. Mommy. We tell each other everything.
I always promised myself I wouldn't be strict with this topic because I wouldn't want you to do something without telling me.
No, mommy, I swear I've never done it before. I swear to you, I swear.
Oh, miss, you don't have to worry about that thing, man. I was just talking. I just came over here because I wanted her to do my hair. I don't really have anybody for do my locks, and she always come to school and look so neat and proper.
Oh, you and Marsha go to the same school. Oh, that's good. You're a very smart boy.
I don't want to brag on both, but I am passing all my classes then. I take my schoolwork very serious, miss. And I wouldn't do anything like that to Marsha. She's practically my best friend and I highly respect her. I wouldn't come into your house and disrespect you like that.
Boy, you're such a sweet boy. And so handsome. I'll be right back. I'll go in the kitchen. You want something to drink, young man?
Tony, why are we in this tree? What are you doing?
Me a go to the place, man. Me a look for some sexy girl. I will better look up here, so. Bird eye view. You know my eye couldn't know me now for wear glasses like you.
So we're in a tree because you're looking for a girl.
Girls, me say girls I want to you. Girls. Yo, youth. Come up here, now come help me.
And you see nothing wrong with any of this, huh?
What difference between me and a bird? A bird no fly around and look for its mate. So me no there no one tree I look for my mate.
Don't you think your obsession with women is kind of unhealthy?
You know, so sometimes I have a question here in Oliver. Sometimes I feel like say I want to cover fish, you know. Why am I supposed to be obsessed with it when I depend on a planet for mate? Leave me alone, man. You know, like why you have a problem, you come down right now.
Where exactly are we going?
Mwanga Madison Yard, man. She tell me say her mother and father gone. But you have to go wait outside, you know, come and I'll share her with you.
Come on, Tony, I'm tired. Are we supposed to be going back to your house for dinner?
Hello? Oh, mommy, yeah. Me Oliver up on the road, so I don't try to cook it. Well, you want to come home now? Dinner ready? Alright. Well, come right now, okay? Well, you cook my favorite, mommy. Go on. So me for love you, mommy. Alright, well, come right now. I promise you. Soon come. No, I'm not worried about him, mommy. You must have foreign people, you know, them name anything. You want? Yeah, alright. Love you too, mommy. Bye. Her mother said the dinner done, you know. One thing me love more than woman is my belly. So far, I won't go back there.
I'm shocked to even hear you say you like something more than women. I guess her cooking must be good.
Of course, her cooking good. I want to hear youth. But it can't cook like my mother, you know. One thing me love more than anything in this world is my mother.
Well, I'm glad to see you on time now, son. What did I tell you about texting at dinner time, eh? Why you don't like to take anything serious, Tony? It's ridiculous, no, man. I have to repeat myself to you so many times. So unruly. So bad.
So unruly about texting, daddy. Nowadays everybody has text, everybody have a phone. Even your mother have a phone. Our mother alive when she have a phone. What's the problem, Daddy? I know you're sure, no, Daddy. People are text, you know, for make sure the people are right, or make it a text message, but make sure say somebody are right. What the problem? That back in your day where you have to use a string phone if you call people, or people have to wait till them phone.
That's enough. I am tired of you and your foolishness. Your teacher called me and she said you were in the hallway kissing up on some girl.
Boy, Daddy, I'm more than one girl, you know, and I'm
Stop it. You see? This is exactly why I'm planning to send it to an all-boys school.
boy, school, Daddy. Daddy, man, stop playing them joke. No, don't want them joke there with me, man.
This is not a joke. I am tired of getting phone calls from your teachers. You're not taking school seriously. All you think about is woman. This is madness.
Daddy, me's a man. Me supposed to think about woman. You a pastor. What you want me for to be gay? Isn't gay this a sin?
What? You have one more time to screw up, you know. One more time. I'm gonna send you to an all-boys school.
Oliver. Get up, no youth.
What are you doing?
Oliver, I want to go this party. Don't me about this party where I keep, you know. My parents them fall asleep. Forward me cook on man. To you. Me just say I peel 60 can I go there. You forward them, man. I want to go by myself, you know, man. Just come, no, man.
Crazy. I'm not going anywhere.
If you want to get up and sleep, my youth. Get up now, my youth. You didn't say peel, sexy girl.
But fine, I'll come. God, you're so annoying.
I bet you never seen nothing like this in your life. You Canadian boy? Home to your sleep of old people and the dead. Come on, we go party and drink and have a
I'm
time.
still tired, man. God, I wanna sleep.
With life, tell you man, you need a friend like me in your life, you know, say stop be so damn boring. One thing you have to do when
You know what, you're right. I'll guess I have something.
you know you're there for a while. You have to have fun and Jupiter. You can't just back up in the house, I want you.
Alright, I said I would drink, okay? Jeez, you can stop talking now. I'll drink. Oh, I feel like shit, man. I think we should leave. Remember what your dad said about sending you to an all-boys school?
You really listen to my father. Man always say all them type of sitting there never ever do him, I go say. Say, I wash my face and you sure you ready for leave more look nice for them girl, you know.
I mean, I'm being kind of serious. I mean, your dad sounded like he was actually serious about sending you to an all-boys school. I think we should just go before he wakes up. Besides, I'm tired. I just want to leave.
Mommy, we just went to a party, nothing serious.
Tony, I think you need to relax a little bit. You know, I don't really have an issue with what you're doing, but your father is very vexed. And I actually think he's very serious this time about sending you to that school.
When Daddy now said me go nowhere, man. Him never threatened for send me to the all boys school. Couple years ago, him still never send me. Mommy, him not send me nowhere, man. I'm good. No, Daddy just all up miserable.
Just try to behave, okay?
Alright, Mommy, for you, me will try and behave, alright? Don't worry about it. We're not gonna disappoint you.
Alright, Tony, have a look with faith in you. Yeah, look, I used to do my ex ear because I wouldn't know how to do this at all. But it looked nice.
Trust me, I appreciate you, Diana. I asked my friend, but she said she didn't know what to do locks.
Oh, you look a friend. Oh, the one named Marsha, right?
Yeah, she's the same one. You know, her mother actually pop up in the room where she think we'd do something.
Really? I should never beat her or nothing? I guess Jamaican moms really change nowadays.
Oh man, she cool. She have some level of understanding. But me tell her say, I don't want to do that to her daughter. Marsha a sweet girl, you know?
So like you have a little crush on Marsha. You gonna tell her?
No man, she's just my friend, Diana.
But look who is here. Long time no see, Tony. How is everything? I like your outfit.
Well, you know me have to dress up when I come look for you, my future wife. And you're looking the loveliest ever, Miss Diana.
Look at what were your business?
You don't want to talk to her, so. You idiot?
No, there we are call idiot. My, now come on for me train on a girl for the year. You want Diana for free surf for the year. My, move man. Oh yes man.
Yo, no we are talk to in a youth. Me box in your face in a boy.
Boy, I'm afraid of you. My, come face me now.
Come try it now.
Box you down in the...
Yo, none of this in my house, you know. Listen to me. The two of you need to cut it out, you know. No arguing or none of them foolishness say, you know. Two of you, I'm a brother friend. Don't make me get disrespectful to two of you, you know. Stop it right now.
Sorry, Diana. I'll leave. Sorry.
Yo, I'm going Junior. Yo, my God. Like your hairstyle, no, my God. Yo, you can't get one of them coquini down girl left for me. She not in high school. 20 good for me.
Alright, killer. Me get to somebody.
Yo, that's a me for retain a Junior. Yo, anytime I reach Canada, you know, me and you go part.
Alright, killer. Later. Look, sorry, me I've been avoiding your calls and your texts them. Just that whole outfit thing, boy. Especially with up in between. Me and you the other day.
That cool, man. I mean, two already drunk, so you know, it was just like a mistake or something.
So you see me as a mistake. You know, come on, man. When you gonna stop pretending to yourself? When you gonna stop lying to yourself?
Junior, please. Me and you good on good terms, alright? I don't want to argue in between me and you anymore, okay? What we did was a mistake.
Call that whatever you want to call it. No, I won't grudge against you. Later.